iOS 18 brings a bunch of new features, and today I am going to discuss 3 new things which are added to iPhone after iOS 18 update. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. For the first one, you have to go to General and then Background App, Refresh. Now in Background App, Refresh new options are added. You can set App Background Refresh to Wi-Fi only or to Wi-Fi and data both. So this is the new thing which Apple has added in Background App, Refresh feature. The second thing is Picture-in-Picture mode. iPhone added advancements in PIP mode, and now this is usable to every app in iPhone. The third new feature is autofill password. Here a lot of new features added in autofill slide, and Apple also introduced an application which saves your passwords which are used in iPhone. In this app, all account passwords and Wi-Fi passwords are safe and only accessible to your Face ID. If you want to delete OTPs after using, then turn on this option. And if you want to use autofill in Google and Chrome apps, then turn on these both toggles. So these are 3 new features which every iPhone must know and use for good experience of iOS. That's it for the video so far. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.